Tired of ruining your perfect steak by cutting into it? This instant read thermometer gives you the exact temperature in just 2 seconds, without losing a single drop of those precious juices. Every slice into your meat releases the flavor and tenderness you worked so hard to achieve. The Alpha Griller's thermometer changes everything. Simply insert the probe and watch as it delivers pinpoint accuracy within 1 to 2 degrees. I put this to the test on thick ribeyes, delicate chicken breasts, and everything in between. It never misses. The bright, backlit display means you can read it perfectly, whether you're grilling under the stars or checking food in a dimly lit kitchen. It's completely water resistant, so cleanup is as simple as rinsing under the faucet. The bonus meat temperature chart eliminates all the uncertainty from cooking. Whether you want that perfect medium rare steak, juicy chicken, or ideal candy consistency, this thermometer delivers flawless results. Customers rave that it's become their go-to kitchen essential because it takes the stress out of cooking and guarantees perfect results every single time.